we will discuss about most important constitution schedule. They are 12 in number. We will discuss one by one in brief description. First schedule is related to states and union territory. Second one is related to salary, emoluments and allowances of various posts. Third schedule is related to form of oath and affirmations of various posts. Fourth schedule is related to allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha, which is also known as Council of State or Upper House of Parliament. Fifth schedule is related to provision relating to administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Sixth schedule is related to administration of tribal areas in the state of 4 states. First one is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Seventh schedule is related to division of powers between the union and the state. There are 3 lists in our constitution. First one is a union list, second one is a concurrent list and third one is a state list. Eighth schedule is related to languages which are recognized by our constitution. They are total 22 in numbers. Ninth schedule is related to validation of certain acts and regulation. Ninth schedule means it added by first constitutional amendment of 1951. 10th one is a anti-defection law which added by 52nd Amendment Act of 1985. 11th is related to power, provision, authority as well as responsibility of panchayats. It added by 73rd Amendment of 1992. There are 29 subjects in our Panchayati Raj system. 12th one is related to power, provision, responsibility and authorities of municipality. It added by 74th Amendment of 1992. There are 18 in total subject. So today we discuss about the schedule of the constitution. Okay.